Pollinators are essential for the reproduction of over 75% of flowering plants, making them critical to our food supply and biodiversity. Bees, with their remarkable ability to communicate and navigate, transfer pollen while collecting nectar. Butterflies adorned with vibrant colors aid in pollination as they flit from flower to flower, attracted by scent and color. Bats, often overlooked, are nocturnal pollinators, essential for fruits like bananas and avocados. Together, these creatures support ecosystems and agriculture, influencing food security and environmental health. Protecting them is crucial, as their populations face threats from habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change.